How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another second channel video, and today is a very important special day. So it is the 17th of April, which means that the new Olivia Rodrigo single, Drop Dead, has dropped. Alive, it's dropped on streaming services. But yeah, guess what just came in the mail? It's the cassette version of the new single, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing it, as you could probably tell from the title. Anyway, here is the cover of the cassette. There we go. It's the cover of the single, but it's been it's been fit to the size of a cassette cover. There's the side. I've got. Let me try and get it so the light's not shining in it. Olivia Rodrigo, Drop Dead. And this is the back slash side A of the cassette. This was made in the UK. So we have the list of songs. We've got Drop Dead and Drop Dead karaoke version. And we have all the copyright information there. Anyway, let's get into this. Can I do it on camera, or am I going to have to take it off camera? I'm going to have to take it off camera. Okay, that didn't take very long at all, but I have the wrap off now. Let's take a look at the cassette now. It's a nice pink colour. It's not my favourite. This specifically isn't my favourite colour. A lighter shade of this would probably be. Actually, only a very sort of slightly lighter shade. We have the inside little cover there that lists the songs again and has more images. Oh, and then it's out of focus. Can we focus, please? This image is the same as the image that's on the back of the CD and vinyl release. You can't really see it, but it also has the list of credits for the people who worked on the song. Anyway, here we have the cassette itself. Again, I really do. I like the color of this. I like the whole vibe of this new album. The album's not out yet. Yeah, I think it has my favourite vibe out of the three that we know of, but it's not out. I can't say if it's my favourite. It has my favourite vibe and style, though. Anyway, yeah, that's the cassette, side B there, and I already showed side A. So yeah, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe and stuff, and I guess go stream the song. Bye.